which states that tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 13 plus tan inverse 1 by 21 continue to infinity, and its value we have to find out. So let us now rewrite these terms as required for the solution. We can write this tan inverse 1 by 3 as 2 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 into 2 plus this tan inverse 1 by 7 we can write as tan inverse 3 by 3 minus 2 divided by 1 plus 3 into 2. Now you see 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 into 2 is 3. Similarly 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1 plus 3 into 2 is 7. Similarly the third term also we have write as 5 minus 4 minus 3 divided by 1 plus 4 into 3. See, 4 minus 3 is 1 and 1 plus 4 into 3 is 12. So 1 plus 12 is 13. Similarly, the fourth term also we can write 5 minus 4 divided by 1 plus 5 into 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1 and 1 plus 5 into 4 is 20. So 1 plus 20 is 21. And it will be continued to infinity. Now you see we have one formula of inverse as tan inverse a minus b divided by 1 plus ab is equals to tan inverse a minus tan inverse b. So this formula we will apply. Now you see if you consider a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1, then it is 1a minus b divided by 1 plus ab, which is similar to this formula. So we can write this as tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1. So our expression simplifies to tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse. Similarly this will be tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2 plus this will be tan inverse 4 minus tan inverse 3 plus this will be tan inverse 5 minus tan inverse 4, and it will be continued to infinity. Now you observe that for tan inverse 2 there is one minus tan inverse 2 which can be mutually cancelled out. Also tan inverse 3 and there is a minus tan inverse 3, so this also can be cancelled out. Tan inverse 4 and here is one minus tan inverse 4 which can be cancelled out, and tan inverse 5 can be cancelled out from another term derived from the further terms as given in the equation, as it is continuing to infinity. Only the minus tan inverse 1, this term is not having any positive counterpart, so this term cannot be cancelled out. So the whole expression will be cancelled out to each other except this minus tan inverse 1. So this will be equals to minus tan inverse 1, and we can write this as minus tan inverse tan pi by 4 or minus pi by 4.